Hey everyone! Today we are reviewing the newly released Sound Blaster GS5 from Creative Labs, a company known for its iconic Sound Blaster brand that's been shaping the audio industry for decades. Whether it's for gaming, music or movies, Creative has a reputation for delivering high-quality audio solutions. Let's dive in and see what this fresh addition to their lineup has to offer. Right out of the box, you'll find the star of the show, the speaker itself, neatly packed for protection. Along with it, there's a USB-C to USB-A cable for connectivity, a remote control, though keep in mind batteries aren't included, so you will need two standard AAA batteries. You will also get a comprehensive manual that's packed with all the necessary information and available in multiple languages. And finally, there's a small white box containing interchangeable AC power plugs, which are super easy to install and swap, making it convenient for use anywhere. When it comes to design, the Sound Blaster GS5 keeps things simple yet stylish. The compact rectangular shape with sleek edges and matte black finish gives it a premium, minimalist look that fits seamlessly into any setup, whether it's for gaming or productivity. It's not flashy, but that's exactly what I like about it: functional and classy. One standout feature is the built-in OLED display on the front, which adds a touch of sophistication while being incredibly useful. The display shows you key information like the active mode, volume levels, and connection status. It's bright, sharp, and super easy to read, even at a glance. The build quality is excellent, as you would expect from Creative. It's solid without being bulky, and the smooth finish resists fingerprints, keeping it looking pristine over time. That said, the coating works well everywhere except for the front of the speaker, where fingerprints are a bit more noticeable, as you can see here. Despite its lightweight design, it feels sturdy and durable, making it a reliable choice for everyday use and easy to move around when needed. If you are someone who values simplicity and practicality in design, the GS5 delivers that in spades, while the OLED display adds a modern touch that's as functional as it is attractive. Before we dive into the sound performance, I want to point out that I'm not an audio professional. My observations are based on everyday use, so this review is aimed at helping regular users decide if the GS5 is right for them. Equipped with a full-range racetrack drivers, the GS5 delivers a frequency response of 65 Hz to 20 kHz. With a peak power output of 60 watts, it provides robust and clear audio across various media. The design incorporates a port tube that enhances bass reproduction, delivering deep and impactful low frequencies without compromising the clarity of mids and highs. In gaming, the SuperWide mode really shines, enhancing positional audio so you can better locate enemies or immerse yourself in the game's environment. It's a subtle but noticeable improvement that gamers will appreciate. For music playback, you might prefer to disable SuperWide for a more focused and accurate sound. Unfortunately, I can't fully capture the GS5 true sound quality here due to limitations of recording equipment, but I will do my best to give you a sense of how it performs with videos, music and gaming. Let's check it out.
Miss me. California dreaming makes me feel when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people look pretty cool now. California dreaming makes me feel when everything is out of reach. All the pretty people look pretty cool now. So you got it with your heart for when you wanna see light. And the world goes harder now.
known for pioneering high-quality audio solutions for gamers, professionals, and entertainment enthusiasts. Creative Labs has been in the industry for decades, delivering iconic sound cards and speakers that elevate audio experiences. Pretty impressive, right? Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, enjoying a playlist, or diving into an intense gaming session, the GS5 delivers a versatile and powerful audio experience tailored for all your needs. Alright, let's talk about the connectivity options of the Sound Blaster GS5, because this thing has you covered no matter what setup you're using. First off, there's a USB-C port which is perfect for connecting directly to your PC or gaming console. It gives you high-quality digital audio without any hassle. If you're hooking it up to a TV or another device, there's also an optical-in port. This is great for ensuring low latency and crystal clear sound quality, especially handy for gaming or movies. If you value wireless convenience, the GS5 supports Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable, stable streaming with solid range from your phone or tablet. For older devices or quick plug-and-play options, there's a 3.5mm audio jack input, so you can connect pretty much anything with a headphone jack. And speaking of headphones, there's a headphone-out port for easy connection, delivering excellent audio clarity. Basically, the GS5 offers all the connectivity options you would need, whether you are gaming, watching movies, or just listening to music. It's super flexible and fits into almost any setup seamlessly. The soundbar itself features a multifunction button for Bluetooth and source switching, a dedicated SuperWide button, an RGB lighting button, and a volume knob that also doubles as power and mute control. Simple, functional, and easy to use. The remote adds even more convenience with buttons for volume, track control, and source switching. You also get quick access to Bluetooth pairing, SuperWide modes, RGB lighting presets, and audio adjustments like tone modes. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. To get the most out of the Sound Blaster GS5, you'll want to check out the Creative app. It's a powerful tool that lets you dive deeper into the soundbar's settings. Whether you want to tweak the RGB lighting for a personalized visual experience or fine-tune the audio with SuperWide modes and tone adjustments, the app gives you complete control to customize both the sound and lighting exactly how you like it. Alright, let's wrap this up with a quick rundown of the Sound Blaster GS5, the highlights, a couple of drawbacks, and my final thoughts. Impressive audio quality. The GS5 delivers clear and dynamic sound, enhancing your gaming and entertainment experiences. With up to 16.8 million colors, you can personalize the lighting to match up your setup. It offers multiple connection options including USB-C, optical-in, Bluetooth 5.3, aux-in, and a headphone-out port, making it adaptable to various devices. The included remote control and intuitive onboard buttons make it easy to adjust settings on the fly. The Creative app provides additional customization for audio profiles and lighting effects, allowing you to tailor the experience to your liking. And last but not least is the display. As for cons, a moderate peak power of 60 watts may not satisfy those seeking extremely high volume levels, and while it doesn't include advanced codecs like aptX, the GS5 still delivers reliable Bluetooth performance for most casual and gaming needs. For the best audio quality, you can always opt for its USB or optical connections. If you have watched my review of the GS3, you might already be wondering how these two compare. Don't worry, I've got a detailed comparison video coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed to catch that. In the meantime, if you are curious about the GS3, check out my full review, it's linked down in the description. And if you are ready to grab the GS5, you will find the product link below as well. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Oh, to be a kid again, to feel the sun upon my skin, to laugh and play until the sun goes down. Oh, to feel the little joys, to never make one single choice, and know that nothing's gonna stress me out. Oh, at least for now. Oh, 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 oh. slowly be a kid again, to feel the breeze creep up my skin, to be so full of life and without care. Oh, to love the little things, the ones that we can't seem to see, 'cause everyone around us has gone